Can we know who is stalking you on Facebook? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if it's possible to know who is stalking you on Facebook. Now, there is a myth that you can know who is stalking you on Facebook if you use the professional mode. So let's find out. First, head over to your Facebook. Make sure that you're logged into your account. So after you're on your personal normal account, there is no way that you can know who is stalking you. You will not be able to see who has viewed your profile. Now, so for that, I've changed my account to professional mode. So as you can see right here, I have the professional dash mode on. So I'll just head over to professional dashboard. And if I just scroll down, I will see the insights option. Now, if I want to see the insights, I'll just head over to the insights section. Now, right over here, you will see I have 0 views. Now, what I can do is I can tap on see all views. And right here, I can see who is watching me or how many people are watching me. Now head over to the audience section and you should be able to see the details of your followers or the details of whoever is visiting your site or your profile. Now right here, you will be able to see the age and gender. That is, you will be able to see the chart or something like that, but not who is who and where they are from. So like this, yeah, that is how you can see who is stalking you on Facebook. It's not really possible. There is no direct way you can know, but you can see the insights on who views your profile, what type of audience you have, and how many people view your profile. And yeah, that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.